So start styling your wigs for you, and I promise you will love yours too. Bars.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WOWAFRICAN. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also still wigmas, so make sure you guys are checking the pinned comment down below, as well as grabbing your drink for Sip and Slay, although I don't have nothing. Okay, I don't have a bottle, a cup, nada. Your girl was tired, okay? I have been running on E for the last 2 days, but the look got me hydrated. Y'all see this? Drink me up quick. So if y'all want to see if I got this wig from A to Slay out the pack, make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WOWAFRICAN. All the specs in my unit as well as the products I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get your wig together real easy. And that starts with a good wig. You need a good base product to start with, okay? If you got to do too much work right out the gate, it's going to be a struggle. Can it look good? Yes, but it's a lot easier when it comes pretty much ready to go. Let me show you. This is their brand new Yaki Straight Cherry Wig. Y'all see that color? Y'all know I love me a burgundy 99J, cherry, auburn, reddish brown, whatever. This color right here is always a plus for me. This unit comes with everything. Pre-bleached, pre-plucked. It has the silicone tabs on the side for the ear grips as well as the nape grip around the back. It has a 360 lace, which means you get the lace all the way around the cap, plus a 13x6. 13x4. What is this? Actually, it might be 6. Whatever she is, you get that parting space right here in the front. So you can change up your parting space if you want to. I will be changing up mine because they sent this joint to me in the left side part. Who do you think I am? I am a right side girl. Get my part right. Oh, and it has the Invisi-straps in the back to tighten it down for that gluelessness around your nape. So depending on what size they sent me, small, medium, or large is what they come in, I may need to finagle mine a little bit. I did get the 𝐻𝐿 hairline on mine, and I said it right because I've asked a very reliable source how to say this word, and they told me this is how you say it, okay? Bus Gus, 𝐻𝐿 hairline. I told you I was gonna get it. So I'm gonna tint my lace really quick. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette in these shades medium to dark, and I'm gonna use a mixture of the contour and sculpt color. More than likely, I will be spraying this unit down because again, that 𝐻𝐿 hairline, I want to be seamless on me. Y'all know how I've done it. I think this will be my second 𝐻𝐿 hairline. Oh, that's a little dark. I can tell how that went on. Hopefully I can get some of that off with my mousse. Pull my cap back blue. Ooh, that feels a little snug. No, I did not wash this wig. I'm tired, okay? I don't wanna do nothing. I wanted to wear this unit up in an up style. Look at that. Y'all see that? And if I tighten down those Invisi-straps, it would tighten around my nape. First, that is on my brow. I gotta cut that back a little bit. Y'all see how the left side part looks on me? It looks great. Okay, it looks very natural on camera. However, in person, I feel off balance. Ooh, this 16-inch looks good. Very natural. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Oh, that was my hair. Jeez. Let me get my comb so I can see where I need to pull it off at. That looks about right. This is gonna be very simple, y'all. He got my scissors. Oh. Do some over here. Just gotta cut that back some. Let me mold my hairline real quick. I'm using my Nairobi mousse to do that. Shake that mousse up. Okay, get that like that. And like that. Make sure that's down. Like so. I gotta make sure my part is right on the right side. Yep, that's about right. They sent me a band here. No, it's not. That's a wig grip. Could I use a tidy on my wig? I mean, I could. That works. I don't want it to be like so stiff. I want it to be very flowy. Like I'm gonna rock it like I just rolled out of bed and I'm going out the house. These short pieces you see up here are filler pieces. From what I understand, they'll use one strand, especially if it's a shorter wig. They'll use like a 20-inch or 28-inch or whatever, and they'll feed it through one and make it two. You know what I'm saying? So you'll have shorter pieces. Take my blow dryer on high heat and flatten this out. Now let me get my blow dryer brush on high heat and blow dry this out. Y'all see these layers? Oh, that's cute. Y'all see this? This hair feels amazing, and this is 250% density for a yak. I don't know if I want to do a flat side part or just like a regular like flip over look. Like I said, I will be spraying mine down for the look that I want. I'm gonna use my hold spray. So right here. Not in my Take it, hold it down, and then brush those hairs back and forth over that lace. Brush it back and forth over the lace. Get that down in there. Take some of these short pieces out around my front edge. I'll cut them a little bit shorter. Brush, 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 brush. Cut this side a little bit shorter right here. Tap that down. Just like that. Okay, and then you got the sides. I'm not doing those, but those will stay down just like that. Most of the work is spent on the hairline just to, you know, lay that down. Let me see if I can tighten down those Invisi-straps in the back. I can feel it tightening over here for sure. So that's good. It went back a little bit, but it's like struggling to do it. So I'm just gonna leave it alone. It did tighten it down some. I can feel it over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, it helps. So I'm gonna clean my glasses real quick. Brush this out. It's a little uneven though. I gotta fix that. And can y'all see what I'm talking about? That part right there. Be careful where I want my part. I'm gonna take a little bit of grease, not too much because I don't want it to be greasy. Just a little bit. Rub it on my hands, warm it up, lay down those flyaways. I don't want to use wax. Brush it down, brush it back, brush it under. I'm gonna use a little bit of my hairspray on top, just to kind of lay down any excess flyaways without using any more grease. Just kind of let it fall over top the hair, like that. Do I need to put any powder in my parting space? I didn't feel like I did until just now. Let me see, just a little bit. Can it brighten it up a little bit? Yeah, it helps. I feel like I should curve up my parting space a bit, like this, and around. There we go. And then for the sides over here, I gotta make them fall in line with the rest of the hair. Smooth this down. I got a little bit of hair right here that I want to pull out. There it is. Okay, so here's the final look. I'm not gonna harp too long because you see the looks on me. 250% density. Hello. I did use a little bit too much makeup powder on my lace, which is why mine looks a little bit darker. You can see that line of demarcation. So, you know, don't do that. This lace is very blendable, so you don't need a lot of product to blend it down to you. No tangles, no shedding. It's a thick yak. This is gorgeous, okay? And that color is just perfection. I could definitely see myself wearing this unit every single day, just like this. Y'all saw all the looks that I was given while I was styling the wig, okay? Clip back, clip up, full up, whatever. You can do it with this wig. Y'all see that? No gaps. Because my forehead is big, I feel like the Lagos hairline looks really good on me. I have a 5 head, okay? So all 5 fingers can fit just up here. It's big forehead friendly. When you wear wigs as much as I do, you can start to notice certain things off about your wig or how you want your wig to look. Just had to cut that a little bit shorter and then brush that back. It was a line that was happening. Now I know the funds may be gone, so go ahead and turn over and ask that man. Because he already in the house. I know I have a coupon code for this one, and this one is, I believe, under $300 after the coupon, which I'm not mad at. Wow African is one of the brands that I would go to for my natural texture wigs, especially for my kinky straight or my yaki straight. Wow African is one of the top brands that I would recommend. So, you know, take that how you want to take it, okay? That hairline is looking great. Sideburn blends effortlessly, not even glued down. I feel weird not wearing my glasses. It's giving very circa 2020. Let me put these back on because I can't see. But I do want to go outside so everybody else can see me. Yeah. And also the layers, y'all see it? perfection. Whoever on that table needs a raise. They layered this hair to perfection. I love it. I can say that about every wig that I put on because I do love the wigs on me. I style my wigs for me. So start styling your wigs for you, and I promise you will love yours too. Bars. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Wow African for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.